Hi, today in front of me REALME 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the Don't Disturb Mode section, just tap on it. If you want to turn on or turn off the Don't Disturb Mode, we should click on the switcher. To set the schedule, just tap on it and we can set the start and the end time of the Don't Disturb Mode. If you want to allow notifications, messages or calls just from contacts from anyone, no one, so you should just do it here. And you can use also the settings just to ring for repeated calls and to silence media in Don't Disturb mode. If you want to activate the silent mode or vibration or ringing mode, you should just tap on the section and select one from the available modes. You will see the just volume panels. Just to change media, ringtone, notifications or alarms, we should just slide to the left or to the right side this volume panels. If you want to change the ringtone or notification sound, just select one from these sections and select one from the available sounds which you would like. To activate vibration on ring mode, you should use the switcher. If you want to change vibration intensity on ring or notification vibration, you should just slide to the left or to the right side these dots on the panels. To change use the system haptics, you should use the switcher. Also we can change the haptic intensity and how touch feels, like crisp or gentle, so you should just switch these options. And in sound section we can see the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion, animation sounds and touch sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. So let's go back. Also got here the by items section. We can use them or change the just sound profile from the smart to movie, game and music. And in advanced settings we will find here the volume button function. So now with the help of the volume buttons we will change the media volume. Also we can change it to the ringtone one, and we can switch also default recorder from auto select to add on. And in ear monitoring, so we can just change this advanced settings here. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.